Okay, what we've got here is a Maserati Bora vacuum control for the air conditioning system. It's a rocker switch, but it's not electric, of course, it's vacuum. And we have a dual pod that has two vacuum lines connected to it for the blend door, or
this is for the external air.
Allows external air to come in. And this pod over here
is for recirculating.
Recirculation. So it opens and closes, or it opens a blend door as well. We have the manual. We looked at all of the stuff. We interpreted the Italian to domestic and what have you. Now we have to mention that this is not the original pod for this side. Unfortunately, we're not given the pod on that side. Too difficult to remove out of the vehicle. And there is a minor problem with it. But first, let's just do the demonstration. Go ahead and turn on the vacuum pump. We figured out how this thing works. You can see, if I get this correct, go ahead and
Which one? This one?
Do this one, yeah. Aha! And you can see that it obviously does the job. This is spring loaded, so release it back to central position, and it releases on its own because there's a spring in there. We don't have the original equipment one here, but you can see by the little hole in the shaft on this vacuum pod. Go ahead and activate it. Okay, that's all the further this particular vacuum pump moves, but it definitely operates it. And release. Now again, we don't know how the original one releases. Maybe it has a spring in it, maybe not. But certainly vacuum has been released from this side. We can measure this with a vacuum meter in order to show it operating. We should probably do that. But anyway, yeah, we got all the logic, we figured it out. Here is the schematic for the operation of the unit. And as best we can tell, we figured it all out. Larry, you got the vacuum source wrong. Other than that, everything is cool. Thank you very much.